Amalgamation cue. Now in this amalgamation I'm going to do 6-beat riffs, but I'm going to do them at the beginner tempo. So this is a great amalgamation to get people to start using riffs with confidence. Of course, if you're competent now at riffs, then put in 12-beat riffs where I say 6-beat riffs, and then you will obviously double up the tempo and the speed. But this is a great one just to show people how they can bring in riffs into an amalgamation. So this is going to be quite slow because of that, but obviously if you're going to put in the 12-beat riff instead of the 6-beat riff, then it will be fine as well. It will be faster to do it because you're using the counts. I'm using the 6-beat riff to do the 12-beat riff in the same time. So half speed. Now this could be done in a circle. So if you've got a class, you could make it in a circle round the room. Don't forget to start adding arms once they're competent with doing the slow riffs in this amalgamation. So we're going to make flat pickup, flat, heel, heel. Now because I flat with my right foot, I'm going to do the heel beat with my left foot first. Then we're going to repeat all that again, flat pickup, flat, heel, heel. Flat pickup, flat, heel, heel. Then we're going to do the 6-beat riff if you're doing it slow tempo, or the 12-beat riff to the same timing. So it would be twice as fast for 12-beat riff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're doing it on your own, then do as I do and move it around different directions. And that's all there is to it. So I'll mark it one more time. Flat, pick up, flat, heel, heel. Flat, pick up, flat, heel, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, go back and look at my riff videos to see how to do the riffs. Let's try with some simple music. Amalgamation R, I'm making this into a square just for something different. Don't forget you should be adding arms and heads as well now. So we're going to start with 2 full train sets. Again, look back at my old videos where I show you how to do these. The first full set will face the front. The second full set I will turn to face the right. 2 tap step stumps to face the back. 2 tap springs to face the next side. And a cramp roll to face the front. And it's up to you if you want to do a 4-beat cramp roll, a 5-beat cramp roll, or a 6-beat cramp roll. I'm doing a 5-beat. And then we start from the beginning. 2 full train sets, 1 facing each way. 2 tap step stump, 2 tap spring, and a cramp roll. One more time, 2 train sets. 2 tap step stumps, 2 tap springs, and a cramp roll. Let's try with some music.